I purchased the PLEGBLE foldable drone model PL-510. My Amazon package came in the mail, so let's open it up so we can check this drone out. Removing the other contents that I purchased from Amazon at the same time. And here it is. Super cool packaging, as you can see. With Christmas around the corner, I think this would be an awesome gift for those who like tech. Opening up the cool packaging, and there is this really nice case that you see here that the drone is packaged in. We're going to unzip it, and this is what we have. The foldable drone, the manual, which I'm going to get right to it, opening the back side of the controller so that we can put in some batteries. The batteries are not included with the drone. It takes 3 AA batteries. Closing the remote controller back up. This is the drone battery. We will need to charge this battery using the USB cable that they provided. And we just take and plug the USB charging port onto the computer, power bank, or USB adapter. I am using my computer to charge it, and you are given 2 drone batteries. Now let's check out the drone itself. It is nicely packaged in the styrofoam compartment, putting the propellers in their place. Just playing with the propellers a little bit here, just kind of pulling them apart. There are extra propellers given in the case, and now I will be pulling out the arms that the propellers are attached to. Check it out. The drone battery has been charged, so now we're going to slide it right into the back side of the drone here. I believe you get about 15 minutes of flying time with each drone battery, and you are given 2. I need to video, so my daughter is going to run it for us so we can see how it works. You will have to download an app to use this drone. The QR code for the app is in the manual under part 6, and you just scan that. There is a phone holder on the remote control that you just open up and slide your phone in. Once you download the app, then you have to go to Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Locate the device's Wi-Fi hotspot named PL-510 drone, and then click on the connection until the connection is successful. And the camera sees us, so we are all set. Love the flashing lights.
We got it connected, and the drone sees the camera's there, and so as you can see, it can see us. So then I think this needs to be turned on. So now the light's on. And then
some technological difficulties when you're trying to figure things out, of course.
Calibration button. You press this button. And then the control will beep D. And then the indicator on the drone will start flashing. Wait until it stops flashing. So it flashed and then it stopped flashing. So it's not complete. So then there's a takeoff and landing button, which is that one. And so
It's like a robotic bug, especially with the buzz. We are just trying to figure out how to fly it in different directions, and there is a little cheat sheet that you can put over the control panel, but we left it inside. But this is what it looks like. How fun is this thing? I think people that love drones and all this type of technology should have this as a present under the Christmas tree. The drone is fun to watch, but let's check out the picture quality, the camera quality. Really, this is not too bad for a drone that's under $100. As you can see, me and my daughter are having fun trying this out. If you haven't begun your Christmas shopping, I think you need to. You need to head to Amazon and get one of these PLEGBLE foldable drones. They are so much fun. I've made it easy for you, as I have the link below in the description. And I just checked Amazon for the going price on this, and they have dropped it almost 30%. That's amazing. You can't go wrong with this as a gift. You will definitely get your $60 worth of fun and much more with this PLEGBLE foldable drone.